All right, guys, today we are checking out the East Oak overhead electric heat lamp for outdoor places like this. Now, you do need a roof over your head or somewhere to hang this heater from. I have a retractable canopy that I plan on hanging this from, and hopefully it'll work out. As you can see, we have the fire pit out here on the deck that we love to use, but sometimes the fire pit just isn't enough when it's really cold out, you know, in the 30s and whatnot. So we like to do it a little bit deeper into the season. First, one of the questions I had before ordering was, what type of outlet does this have? It's your standard 3-prong outlet. It has a remote control, so directions. In the unit itself, we pull it out, and that's everything. So there is literally no assembly required. Let's take a look at what this all looks like here from the underside. You see you have the on-off switch to toggle it. The heating elements to radiate. On the top, we have the mounting bracket with wire and cord here. So that's it. Looks like we're just going to hang it, run an extension cord, and see how hot it gets a little later. All right, so we have hung it here. Very easy. I used the wire and some zip ties to just make sure it was totally fastened up there. There were some protective pieces of foam you want to make sure you remove. I recognize that folks would probably not use this application. You're probably looking for a more permanent application on a fixed roof, but this is how I'm going to choose to do it because it is right above our fire pit here. All right, so we're plugged in. Let's fire it up. So once you flip the switch, you're going to need to use the remote, which needs 2 AAA batteries. You install them, and then this controls the on and off and the level of heat. I have just turned it on right before hitting record, and I'm already feeling heat radiating. Installation is super easy. I'm already feeling the heat. You can see the heating elements turning red in there, and it's radiating a good ways out. We'll check out tonight how much heat it throws when we have the fire pit going and this going as well. I think we're going to be comfortable. For those that might be mounting it permanently, like into wood or something like that, it does come with this mount here and screws along with the carabiner clip for easy install. All right, guys, so I have to say we had a whole night out here yesterday. It was about 40, 45 degrees out, a little bit breezy, but with the fire pit and the overhead heater, it was comfortable. It was like being inside. We watched an entire baseball game, stayed out afterward, very, very comfortable, had a great time. So this is a big winner. You don't have to mess around with gas tanks, propane tanks, anything like that. The heater just works very well. It's a clean, radiant heat. It never got uncomfortably hot, but it also was just a nice, comfortable radiant with a pretty good diameter of throw, about 6 feet this way and 6 feet this way. We were comfortable just kind of hanging out here. So really nice, definitely recommend it. Very impressed with the product. So, you know, it's got my endorsement.